Honey, go get your Are you eating on my rice? I'm still eating my food.
You're not gonna finish your rice. You didn't even budge your rice yet.
Hey, greedy family. Welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
fish fry, aka swim around. Yeah.
And then we had the famous onions.
Yeah.
And if you want to know how to make the onions, that was highly requested. I have a separate video and I will link it somewhere here. And you guys can enjoy it. You can make it as spicy or not as spicy as you like. It's your recipe.
Exactly. Do what you like.
Yes. So I do want to show you guys my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
I like chocolate milk.
Yeah.
We're back. I know you like First Lady outfit today. Come on now. I know you do. Do your thing first.
Guys, we are hungry. I have white rice, we have some snappers, and we have some plantains and the onions. Richie doesn't have any rice. He just wanted beer meat today.
I got rice on First Lady side.
No,
yes.
he doesn't.
Anyways, I got rice on your side, girl. I'm gonna take some of that rice. So
Don't
listen.
eat none of my rice.
So listen now. And yes,
these fish are from Key West. You guys already saw the vlog, and you know, so we have a lot of fish, and we're gonna fry.
Oh,
So,
shit.
watch your eye, you mud.
Forgot that. Don't put them on.
And get some onions.
That's the catch. The rub in his eye. Lord, everything is living.
Are you alright? Stop it. Get my fish. Let's do a thumbnail, my love, because we always forget. And then I gotta search for one. Thank you. Look how it looks.
Delicious. And if you want to know how these fish is prepared, First Lady gonna link it in there too.
Oh yeah, we do have a video on that as well. Yes. Ooh, it's so juicy, honey.
Chill out. Chill out. Don't do that. Here we go. Look. Here it goes. Everything is in here. What you've been asking for, it's right here. Eat at your own risk. Don't play with it.
That's if they put a
Little
pepper.
pepper, yeah. We love pepper. You see that look? No? A little fish fry, aka swim around. You know what I'm talking about?
Ginger ale.
As y'all know, we love fish.
Look at that. Look how flaky that is. Look at that.
First Lady, I ain't gonna prank you today with fish.
You better not.
No, we're gonna enjoy it. I only took my fish because I want to enjoy it today.
So you want no rice?
I'm gonna help you out here though. These are mangrove snappers.
Oh. Yes, that's true. The hubby knows all his fishes.
Yep, mangrove. That's all I want to catch when I go to
All the
Keys.
ones that he can catch.
Yep.
If he can't catch them, he don't care about them.
I don't care about them. Love us some mangrove though. These onions are on fleek.
When you say that out loud.
I'm giving you a no hand today. No, I mean no hand, no fork.
No hands.
Yeah, no fork.
No fork.
So, let's see all our fish lovers. Oh, onion pepper in them?
Yo, pepper man.
My gosh. But I don't make nothing go to waste. I don't go Key West to go catch fish to fillet. When you fillet the fish, you're missing out. So I don't feel it. Look at the tail. Crunchy, look.
Wow. That sounds so good. That sounds so good.
My MSR.
ASMR? We was hungry.
You did good with them onion. Very bomb. That's more, yeah.
I can't eat fried fish without rice.
Yeah.
And onions.
You love rice. We're just gonna enjoy it today. Just watch us enjoy. This masterpiece.
It is a masterpiece
Yeah.
though. And I died.
Season right?
Perfect. Perfect.
Good.
It's nice. It's crispy, but it's still juicy. It's not like dried.
Not dry fish to a thing. This is the part where all the season is in.
That's Jamea's favorite part.
Yes, my daughter part right here.
All right, we have a lot of new family. So,
It's all onion you bring, girl?
I said because I'm looking at this like, where the onions gone?
Onion done.
Wow. Guys, the onions, you know what? Let me stop saying it. You guys have the video now
So
on
you have
how,
to
on
make
how
it.
I prepare it. So you guys know it's spicy.
Around put fish money. Look at that. So I eat fish like I eat food, right?
Yep, and no problem.
I love it. From I was a little baby. Not a little baby, you know. There's about 7.
7, like
Yeah,
Jamea.
yeah. 7.
That's the time you started eating a fish by yourself, or your mom was still feeding you the fish?
Eat by myself.
Oh.
There's a fish head. I'm gonna kill it. Wow.
Honey, you really season this really good.
What's mine is yours. I said I want the right, but I'm gonna help you out. Nice.
You don't need no rice. You say you want the rice. You want your food.
You have a problem with that?
You know what?
Then I have no problem. Cause they don't got no problem with it if I'm taking it. Y'all got a problem with taking it? No, y'all don't.
They didn't even answer yet.
We're good.
You answered for them?
The answer. They don't have a problem with that. So why you have a problem with it?
I have a problem.
Man,
This is so good.
got a water on deck, you know, and a little Shrek's ginger ale. You don't want the water? Here, take this one.
Yeah.
I got 2 anyway, cause I know you gonna want one.
I didn't realize you had brought 2. I was like,
Extra
yes.
cool. Extra cool.
It's cold.
So how your day going?
We hope it's going good.
I hope it's going good. Hope we cheering you up. Now, I want to see how I do it. Made this fish. Yo, it's so seasoned.
It's really seasoned good. I know you guys wondering why I have a sweater on. I'm cold. Okay? Okay?
Mucho frío.
You know in Spanish.
Everything can talk when I eat food, man. Talk every language I'm eating. Yeah. Stop.
That dog. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. We don't buy fish.
And see? This is fresh plantains. Alright?
See? You got fresh plantains here.
That's why I'm eating it.
See? Now you're going to say, oh, I thought it was a fake one.
No. They know. Because I'm eating it. But I used to always buy the frozen plantains. I don't know what happened. It just didn't taste good this time. No, I got uppity.
Guys, where's my fishing lovers? Do y'all like going out catching fish on your own? Or you buy the one from the store? So, I got a lot of tips for y'all. If you do catch a fresh fish, easy way to clean it. You see in the video. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people like catching fish and don't like to clean it.
Me.
Yep, I wasn't calling no name. I wasn't pointing no fingers.
So you throwing shots at me?
First lady, you gotta try this one with the bread. This one right here, I did it different today. I fried this in my chicken, the same recipe I give you the fried chicken. That's what I use and fry today. This one is so good. You wanna try?
Let me see.
Look how flaky it is. Oh, it's dropping.
Oh, let me see.
That's the one I fried. Damn, I'm gonna bite my finger, my you. You see how soft and flaky that is?
Ew. It's really good. Listen, go get your own rice, man.
No,
I'm not getting my rice.
I'm not getting no rice. I'll tell you I'm gonna eat some of your rice.
That's enough now.
I'll tell you eat some of your rice.
Don't eat no more. Shut up.
Give me my fish from you. Yep. Same fried chicken recipe. Nice.
So that has cornstarch in it too?
Cornstarch and flour.
So what made you try that today? My fish want.
I always want to try it, but
No.
I said, let me give you a shot today. I ain't gonna try it. I try it now because we have a lot of fish. So if this one wasn't good, I could throw it away.
Throw it away?
Nah, I don't do nothing.
Well, it's silly.
But a lot of people fry their fish in flour too. I never did it. I said, let me try it there.
Would you do it like that again?
Not all the time, but it's good. More moist too.
So we said, you know what? Since you keep on getting comments requesting the onions, we said might as well make some fried fish.
Yeah. AKA Sumarang, don't forget.
AKA Shimmer. I'm so glad that Richie did. This fish is
Yo, my nose running up. Hot. This onion is hot, family. I ain't capping. Young kiddo.
I'll tell you, honey, go get your own rice. You eat all my rice. I'm still eating my food.
You're not gonna finish the rice. You didn't even budge your rice yet.
Yes, I did. I ate a lot of rice.
Look at this rice. The rice is the same place from which you started. Look. I burnt your 2 fish already on the rice.
What is it? Put 40 shots. Shut up.
Family, she not being fair.
There's a whole bunch of rice left over.
Doesn't
Why
matter.
don't you eat my rice?
There's a whole bunch of rice there. Oh, look, you still on the one same fish and I gone through one already. On 2.
So?
You need help.
I don't.
She need help, family.
Oh my gosh. You always think I need help with my food.
And with this pepper, you gotta drink water. See, she give me the fish head. Yep, that's what I'm talking about. You gotta drink water, cause it's so hot.
It is hot. Oh, good.
Wow.
How you manage with one hand? You good.
I'm a pro.
I see. I need both my hands.
I'm an eater now.
Scotch butter pepper.
Yep.
Woo. Yes.
I enjoy this. We're gonna eat.
Hey, you keep on saying that. You keep on talking.
I can't go without talking. I
I
know.
know.
Y'all think I could go without talking? Comment down. And if I get a lot of yes, I'm gonna try.
You see, he said the word try. Here's that I'm gonna do it.
Damn, first lady, this fish is good, girl.
Listen, I know you guys are jealous, okay? But don't worry, we got you guys.
Yeah.
We got you.
Just grab your fishing pole and go. Go to the keys. You don't got keys where you at. What you do? Well, you go to your local fishing spot, man. Catch some fish, whatever kind of fish you catch, because I know it's all different fish in different water. And try this. You know?
Hey, I need some more onion.
Yeah, the nice little fish fry. This is good. Yeah, wow. Put bone right here.
What's the bowl for?
Put my bone.
Oh, okay. This ain't gonna work, my love. I think I might need more still.
More.
Oh, yeah, nice. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see.
You don't need no more for that. Can you brush up in here?
What are you saying? My chest high.
If you want any more, and you start eating up there. Look at his teeth. You see? Little teeth. Bite you. That's what it's called, snapper. Yeah.
How are you enjoying your fish?
I love it. I love it. I couldn't wait. He made it was craving the fish too.
We was. There's seasoning in every nook and cranny of this fish.
Yep. Yep. Fish have to be seasoned, girl.
There's not one place I bite and don't taste seasoned.
Have to be seasoned. You know that. Please don't let me do all my fish before you and come to help you with your cows. I'm hurrying up because I want to come get something.
Don't hurry up. Take your time with this fish. That's the problem. You know what? Next time I'm gonna make some whipper pork.
What the hell? Yes, still with your old snap. First day, they still here?
They still here? You know, we forgot tonight. We get busy eating.
Where's lady? You was still here? Oh no, why I didn't say something?
I mean, they're so quiet.
Yeah, tripping,
I
man.
was enjoying that food. We forgot you guys were here.
I thought you was gonna say something. I'm there eating like.
The next fish. AKA swim around.
The big boy for last. Now look at that big boy. This was a 10-inch, right, first lady? Yep. These mangroves got to be 10 inches. That was a winner for the chicken dinner. It's a fish dinner. Look at that. Look at this meat. Ooh.
Nice and white and flaky.
Wow.
Hey, you frightening me, man?
Why so seasoned? God damn. My new name is Not Richie. What is it? Okay. My new name is Not Richie. What is it? Okay. Thank you.
Your name is Zaddy.
Nah. Pass to Richie.
Your name is Daddy.
I like that name. Appreciate your liking the word of wisdom. I like it. I know. No? Everybody putting their own term.
Yeah, you be coming through with those words.
Yeah. Everybody putting their own term, you know what I'm saying? There's no right, there's no wrong answer. Everybody's right. You know what I'm saying? So, if the word of wisdom could cheer you up, we happy about that. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, that's nice.
But I see I like the word of wisdom, so I'm gonna keep giving it to y'all. Nice.
No, seriously, how you eat the fish with just one hand like that?
Not hard.
You're doing good.
Once you're born natural eater.
Yep, and that you are. You are definitely a natural eater. Excuse
What
me.
the talk? I know.
Excuse me, guys. We're talking about the fish.
We talking about the fish.
But it is the same.
Yeah. That's why I said swim
So
around.
let's swim around.
Yes.
Okay?
Your mind is far.
Get your mind out the gutter.
Yep. Your mind is far. We ain't talking about that.
For real.
You know what I really appreciate from y'all too? When I give y'all the word of the wisdom, y'all comment and let me know how y'all felt about it. I really appreciate that. That makes me feel good. And first day to feel good. First day to say I'm a pastor. So, I appreciate y'all commenting back and telling me how it feels to you. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate that. You know?
Some people just need it that day. You never know.
Yeah, you never know because you never know what kind of wisdom you're getting. That word of wisdom could fit anybody. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly. In any situation.
Any situation. This is the time y'all like right here. Appreciate watching us and enjoying that fish. Word of the wisdom today. Past the wrist session now. Let me see what I could cheer you up with today.
That is true, honey. That is true.
See what I could cheer you up. Okay. Family. My greedy fam. Word of wisdom today. Okay? Never stop doing little things for others. Sometimes those little things occupy the biggest part of their hearts.
Oh.
Again, never stop doing little things for others. Sometimes those little things occupy their biggest part in their hearts. So, again, you know what to do.
I
right?
like that.
You like that one?
I really love that one.
Yes. So I know this could relate
it's
to a lot
the
of people.
little things that
Yes. Exactly. I know I cheered you up. So put in your own word. Comment down and let me know how you feel. Appreciate y'all. Don't forget to like, comment. We shared. Swim around with y'all. Subscribe for all our new family members. Welcome to the Greedy Fam.
Aww.
First lady your time.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. Bye.
Yo, yo.
Fish. Bye.